it is important to recognize why we are here tonight. Well, it is to celebrate the talent leaders who are reshaping the way organizations are thinking about people, culture, and growth. From legacy companies to emerging disruptors, from metros to rising business hubs, the 30 leaders that we have had the honor today of honoring are reflecting on the depth and dynamism of India's talent landscape. And before we begin the felicitation, here's something very special that captures the spirit of tonight's celebration.
Building cultures, elevating people, steering organizations through change, all powered by one force, talent leaders. And this is their moment. Ahead of trends, ahead of change. One platform that has been leading the future of work for 3 years. Forbes India and Indeed present Top 30 Talent Leaders of 2025. A platform that has earned growing participation and deeper trust every year. More voices, more stories, more impact. To remain a true voice of reason, our process had to be as exceptional as the leaders we celebrate. Global expertise, robust frameworks. Evaluated by industry icons, HR visionaries, leaders of leaders. And now, after months of discovery and deliberation, we arrive at this moment. Forbes India and Indeed present Top 30 Talent Leaders of 2025.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, with that, it is time to honor 30 remarkable leaders from across India. And I'd like to invite our presenters to the stage. Please join me in welcoming Suresh Narayanan, former MD and CEO of Nestle India. So we're glad to have you here. Dr. Ankita Singh, Chief People Officer and Board of Director, Relevance Lab. She's one of the jury members as well. And I would also request Shashi Kumar Sahab and Neha Bothra to join us back on stage. All right, let the drums roll. The first Top 30 Talent Leader Award goes to Abhilash Nair, Senior Director, Talent, Zscaler Cybersecurity. Maybe all of you can squeeze in a little for that picture. The next talent leader is Aadhar Jain, Talent Acquisition Leader, GlaxoSmithKline. A huge round of applause for Aadhar. For the next Talent Leader Award, we would like to call upon Ashish Mishra, Associate Vice President, Human Resources, Talent Acquisition, Savant Inc. Congratulations, Ashish. The next talent leader is Atul Sehgal, Senior Vice President, Global Head of Talent Acquisition, Cognizant Technology Solutions. Congratulations, Anupam. The next talent leader is Darshana Radhakrishnan, Head of Employer Brand and Recruitment Marketing, ThoughtWorks Technologies India. Thank you, Ankita, for joining us. May I request all of you to stay back on stage, please? All right, with that, I would like to invite Anupam Kora, Global CHRO, Kotak Mahindra Bank, to join us as one of the presenters for the next round of awards. The next Top 30 Talent Leader Award goes to Karan Bakshi, Director Talent Acquisition, India and Pacific Region, Cummins Inc. Congratulations. Karan, I'm very happy to say you have the human resource and the house resource sorted very well there. You gave the due where it was due. So a big round of applause there. Both of you are looking lovely tonight. All right, next we honor a leader who has been instrumental in shaping people's strategy and driving a culture of excellence within her organization. Please welcome Loli Vadasari, Chief Human Resource Officer, Datamatics Business Solutions. Congratulations, Lali. All right. Moving on to the next talent leader. Put your hands together for Yogesh Kumar Rustagi, Vice President, Human Resource, Concentrix Daksh India Services. And now, put your hands together for our next leader, Sanjay Singh, CHRO, CMS, Infosystems. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Moving on, the next leader is Padmini Sharat Kumar, Chief Talent Officer, Intellect Design Arena. Anupam, thank you so much for joining us. All right, joining us now, C.J. Kumar, Executive Vice President and Head CHRO L&T, to do the next few honors. The next talent leader is Pankaj Kalas, Vice President, People Operations Delivery. Congratulations. The next top 30 talent leader is Prakriti Shetty, Director and Head HR, India and Middle East TE Connectivity. Coming up next is Prashant Sinha, Head Talent, Attraction and Acquisition, GSE India 7-Eleven Global Solutions Center. Congratulations. The next leader we are honoring tonight is Sarika Pradhan, CHRO, APAC and HR Head, CGI Information Technology Services. And the next leader is Satyadeep Mishra, CHRO, R Systems International. Thank you to each one of you for doing the first set of honors for us. Thank you. And with that, we are heading back to do the honors for the next set of leaders. And to present the same, I would like to invite Rohan Sylvester, Vikash Modi, and request Shanti and Kunal to please join us back on stage for the next set of awards. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next top 30 talent leader for the evening is Lavanya Nandakumar, VP and Global Head Talent Acquisition Product. Our next leader getting awarded tonight is Preeti Kataria, CHRO, Birlasoft. With a huge round of applause, we invite our next leader, Priyanka Anand, VP and Head HR, Southeast Asia, Oceania and India, Ericsson, India. Please welcome our next leader on stage, Rajat Adhikari, Vice President, Talent Acquisition and Workforce Management at Mastech. Our next leader is Shivani Negi, Head Human Resource and Administration, Tata Realty and Infrastructure. Congratulations, Shivani. Moving on to our next talent leader, Supriya Ahuja, Vice President, Talent Acquisition and Campus Relations at Sony Pictures Network, India. Supriya is not with us today, but Milan Golatkar will be receiving the award on her behalf. Our next talent leader is Chetna Patnaik, CHRO, L&T Mindtree. Since Chetna could not join us, Smita Bhatt will be receiving the award on her behalf. Chetna Patnaik, CHRO, LTI Mindtree. Thank you, Mr. Modi. Thank you for doing the honors. Thank you. May I request all of you to stay back, please? And may I request Mr. Prabir Jha, founder and CEO, Prabir Jha People Advisory, to please come up on stage for the next set of awards. The next top 30 talent leader is Tathagat Basu, Chief Talent Officer, Piramal Pharma. Next up, Poonam Yadav, Group Head Talent Staffing, Aditya. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Prateek Dubey, Global CHRO, Mankind Pharma. Up next, please welcome Tiash Majumdar Bakchi, Global Head HR, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. I overheard that, a youngster in your team many years ago. Fantastic. A big round of applause for that. The second last talent leader is Mukul Sah, Global TA Head and India BHR Tech Mahindra. And finally, the last talent leader for the evening. And I must insist that we give her the loudest applause for very patiently waiting Nivedita Tomar, Director, Global Talent Acquisition, Biocon Biologics. Thank you so much for doing the honors for us. Thank you. Well, with that, we are wrapping up the evening, but not without the one picture frame that we have been waiting for. May I request all the winners to please come up on stage for a group picture. Please join us on the stage. I think half of you have come without the trophy, so I might as well just say without the trophy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, with that, it's a wrap. What an inspiring evening this has been at the third edition of the Top 30 Talent Leaders of 2025 presented by Forbes India. And indeed, from discussions to insights, and the recognition of remarkable achievers, this has been an evening that puts people at the heart of progress. A big thank you to all our speakers, winners, and for each one of you for being such a wonderful audience. Congratulations again to all our stalwarts for the evening, all our winners. Are you all fitting in the frame?